Hello everybody, welcome back to another Beach and RC video. Today we're in the shop, we're in the office, as you can see. We've got nothing on the bench. You're probably wondering, well, what the hell? I've been really busy. I've had some pretty cool shit come up in my life, which I'll tell you guys about here shortly. Got a COVID-19 update, which I guess everybody's doing, yada. But yeah, so first off, I just want to show you guys, I've been 3D printing some rims for my Slash because I just been broke because of life. So here's, well, I'll show you. This was like a fresh off the printer one. See if I can get it in the camera shot here. There we go. It's got nice blades on it. I haven't cleaned the back of it up yet. As you can see, it's still, I'll move it back some, still all shiny, broken, like still all chunked in. I still have to break all this out. But yeah, they're pretty deadly looking rims. So here, this is, I have them unidirectional. As you can see here, this is what they're gonna look like when they're done. This is yeah, the inside. I still have a bit of filing to do on the inside. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but yeah, they fit. I've test fit like test fit them. So I've got all four done. Both of these style, like these way. So I'm guessing like this is like the passenger side of the truck. So the axe blades come forward. You know what I mean, like a chop. And then these are the driver's side. As you can see again, they go forward to the chop, but I gotta clean them out. So that's basically what I've been doing. When they're all cleaned out inside, oh, here, let me see if I can get it on camera. This is what they'll look like. This was a prototype one, the first one that I did. So it's a little rough in spots, but this is what they'll look like when they're finished. On the inside and outside, so it'll look fucking deadly. I've also been designing and printing spare tire mounts. So, and they fully thread. So, I don't know if the camera can pick that up either. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Just printing, designing, getting shit ready for this year. And speaking of that, I want to get some runs happening. I want to get some shit going on here. So I need you guys to pull your panties out of your ass cracks and let's fucking get rolling here. What do you think? That's our COVID-19 update. We're fucking gonna give her. We don't give a shit. Whether people join us or not, whether people, you know, fucking come to our events or not, whatever. View our shit, we don't care. We're just gonna fucking continue to do our thing, and that's it. So, I don't know anything else we can do other than just do our own thing. So, yeah, see, let's fit on there. Like that. Then this would fit in there. But, I have to tweak this a bit. Get the end to fit in the hole. Giggity. But otherwise, yeah. That's how that would work. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Updates on stuff. I had to go in debt quite a bit here. I'm fixing I got my Tahoe ready to fix. So, that'll be done here like this week. So I'll be able to get out and get to some better spots and get some better videos for you guys. But the question is, do you want me to do like a video vlog of the rebuild and shit of my truck? Because it is, you know, beneficial to RC and what we do. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to be going out there today to do some work on it. The people that have the stuff in it are going to be coming to get it Friday, I believe, and then I give them like $4 fucking grand, and away they go. So yeah, as a full-time single father of two, life's gonna be fucking fun. It's gonna be tight around here, but got old Red, got the fucking, you know, got our trucks, that we need. We got stuff we can use. We're good to roll, right? Until then. So, but hey, if anybody wants to donate to Beach NRC, we're more than likely, or we're more than happy to, yeah, we're more than grateful to. And with that, I'm gonna call her a day. Sorry for the, boring ass fucking video, but it is what it is. But here are the rims that I've been making, so I think they turned out pretty damn good. And also, don't forget the banner. It's still up for grabs, so it's still ready to rock and roll. But yeah, so for now, I've been Mike with Peach and RC. I'm just going to get this one here, I think, started next. Got all this stuff on here, the 3D prints, and I got the printer set up over here, ready to rock and roll. I've been doing a lot of printing on it. I had a chunk get shaken out of the bed, so I just flipped the glass. Thanks to buddy Brian for fucking hooking me up with the idea. Awesome. So yeah, just gonna probably get this guy here redone this summer. I missed this old truck, so I've got my TRX4. This one here, this is the body that I bought with the money I made for working for Medic for the first time. The only time he ever actually fucking, well, except for sending like that, the only time in like how many years I've actually got anything for what I do for him. But it is what it is, right? It's not what it's about. So yeah, still have to. It needs everything. I took this truck apart to build this one. And it's honestly been a better idea. So, we got Pinky down here. Still need to get her on the bench and go over it and see what's all wrong with it for the year. We haven't yet, because we've been running our slashes. And then there's Haley's Rugged. And then down here we got, that's hard to fucking see because of lighting. Then I got the RC Skidoo and the boat. And we all know who this fucking guy is. Oh, goddamn feet. We all know who this is. We'll get that out of there. Paper towel from the printer. So, yeah, we'll be seeing some of this guy hopefully soon. I still have to order a battery that'll fit him, but life got in the way now, so yeah, we're gonna be having to do what we gotta do. So, and I still got this one here to do. Fuck, look at another. So many trucks I got to do, guys. So, yeah, and they're all, if you ever noticed, most of my trucks are all square. So, they're all from the same time area. So with that, I've been Mike. See, there's Mike, hanging out by the tires, having his cooler. So, yeah, but yeah, I've been Mike with Beach and RC. And until next time, guys, get out and have fun. Or, if the weather's been shit, like it has been here, and rainy, and, well, not even rainy, windy, and then fucking deadly hot, get out there, just design shit. Get a printer or something, design some parts, fuck. Sorry, these are so hard to see, there we go. Design some parts, it's fun. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in these rims or anything, let me know. I'd print more. So, yeah, like I said though, I've been Mike with Beach and RC. You guys have a fucking awesome day.